Alright, folks. Imagine strutting around with a fan that's doing the most. It's a handheld, but hold your horses, it's actually a 4-in-1 powerhouse. Intrigued yet? Trust me, you will be. So, this 4-in-1 handheld portable turbo fan isn't just your regular summer fling, it's versatile like no other. Fancy a breeze while on the go? It's your handheld hero. Need a desk fan to chill while you work those long hours? Sorted. The magic lies in its foldable design. A full 180 degrees fold, people. That means it can neatly tuck away into bags or pockets, waiting to majestically unfold at your command. Dare to go against the heat. It's got 6 settings ready to blast, from gentle whispers to full-on turbo wind turbines. It's like commanding an army of mini cyclones. The battery life is chef's kiss. Running for up to 15 hours with a 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, this fan ensures that you keep cool while reducing your carbon footprint. Talk about chilling responsibly. You can forget about being tethered to outlets thanks to its USB power feature. Whether you're commuting, camping, or simply sweating it out in your backyard, it's got your back. Now, I know the minimalist look is all the rage, but this tiny fan is practically screaming, "I'm here for the drama," yet quietly, because guess what? It operates quietly too. Innovation meets simplicity. It's why multifunctional tech is flying off the shelves. Millennials, Gen Z, eco-warriors, anyone who adores gadgets with a side of sophistication will adore this. Stay ahead of those heat waves, whether you're in bustling urban landscapes or chilling in the great outdoors. This is your go-to gadget in a warming world. Pause. And here's our grand finale, a little nudge from yours truly. Hit that link in the description to check out this portable miracle. Don't let the summer win.